Hold on, YouTube. So I got a new little toy, as you can see. This is a little gift that I gave myself. So you need to leave it at 100 degrees. Don't go past that because then you can burn or damage the LCD screen. So that's the molybdenum wire on the side there, and then I have my screwdriver that I attach it to in order to cut the screen. So these are locked in. Things nice and tight, nice and hot. Here we go. Let's go to cutting. Ooh, nice. So the wire broke. That happens if the wire is too thin. I happen to get a 12 millimeter, 12.0 millimeter wire, which is why it breaks. 14 would probably be perfect. But this is what I got, so this is what I gotta use. Gotta make do with what I have. Alright. So here we go. I'll try this again. It's nice and hot, so it's just cutting through like butter. You see that? Nice. Okay, so that's that. As you can see, got that glue on there. Gotta get out. Squeeze out. This is a really good machine. Separator. Whew, that's hot. So that's it. I just wanted to show you guys my new toy that I'm going to be playing with for a little while. Turn it off so it can start to cool. I don't have anything else to separate at this point. Just wanted to just let you get a look at my my new toy, guys. Check it out. You could probably find one of these on online for a few $100. They're not that expensive anymore. Alright, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching.